Right, okay. We sync in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Hello there. Welcome to the... Wait, give me a minute. Welcome to the apple juice testing. Today with 4 brands of apple juice. Number 1. Pure apple juice. Whatever this means. Nutrition information. Wait, how much is this? Oh, this is a liter. Apple juice from concentrate, 100%. Okay, so this is clear apple juice. Apple juice drink. But I must start off by saying I am an apple juice connoisseur. I drink a lot of apple juice. Now, that's gonna be very loud, but this is apple 50% concentrate, water, acid, citric acid, vitamin C flavoring, sweetener, and what was that? Sucralose. It's not sucrose, sucralose. Then next one, 100% pure pressed apple juice. Ingredients: apple juice, antioxidant, and ascorbic acid. I think this one's going to be the best one out of all of them. And the last one, some kids one. Tropicana juice, pressed apple, kids. 5 a day, no added sugar, contains vitamin C. Look at that. Now, perfect for a lunchbox. Wait, this is a lunchbox one? Wait, give me a minute. What the fuck? Oh ho ho! It is! Okay, that's cool. Ta-da! It's pretty cool. It's nice, spice. Quite nice, meaning that I won't have to use another cup. Saves up washing. So, we've got that. We have got... ASMR moment. Okay, so we've got clear apple juice. That is the 50% concentrate. We have got 100%... Wait, I'm going to move that one to the side. 100% pure pressed apple juice. Yep. Okay. I think this one is actually thicker as a juice. Look at it. It's not clear, meaning that it is 100% pure pressed. And the last one, literally 100% concentrate with a tiny bit of water, I think. Right, okay. So, if I were to align these, we have got the 100% concentrate, the 50% concentrate, and we have the 100% not concentrate. And we also have the kids version, because why the hell not? This one... Oh! This is not from concentrate as well. Okay, so it's pretty much the exact same as that one. So, right, let's try out. So, the first one we're going to try out is this one. The pure 100% from concentrate apple juice. Let's begin. Okay. Sweet. Nice. Like it. Gonna have to score them. I'm gonna give this one... actually, okay. I'm gonna take a sip out of each one of them first, and then I'm gonna give them the rating. That's good, though. Okay, next one. So, this is 50% apple juice concentrate. So, bottoms up. Ooh. Immediately, this one's got a lot more tanginess. You can actually smell it. You can smell the apple from the apple juice. Unlike the 100% concentrate one. Definitely a lot better. Yeah. Actually, I'm not sure. It's a lot more apple, I'd say, because it's not 100% concentrate. It's 50%. So half of it is actual apple juice. Half of it is citric acid, vitamin C flavoring, the sweetener, and sucralose. But yeah. And final one. Oh, dear God. And final one. So, now this one is the 100% pure pressed apple juice with apple juice, antioxidant, and absorbic acid. So, right, let's try it. First of all, it smells like apple. And tastes like apple. It's actually really good. It's very cold though. I don't know if it's the same tanginess as the other one. Because this one has a more vicious smell to it. By that I mean it attacks your nose buds a lot faster. While this one doesn't. This one's a lot more calm. This one's tangy. That one's good. And the last one on the list is this. Whatever this is. This Tropicana juice for the kids. I'm not a kid. Well, I mean, technically I am. But this is Tropicana. This should be good. Hopefully. Let's try it out. Okay. Okay. So, it's a paper straw. You can get as much flavoring in as possible, but it's not bad. It's good, apart from the straw, the paper straw. It's a good apple juice. I just can't get that much flavor from it. So, in hierarchy, this one is that one is the 50% concentrate one. That one's the 100%, and this one is just from concentrate. Not concentrate, pure pressed. Alright, so, okay. So, let's start with the critiquing. Now, the pure apple juice, and by that, it's pure apple concentrate. Oh, God. Pardon me. So, out of all of them, the most bland. The most boring. If you like blandness, it's good. But if you like more tanginess, more taste to it, don't get this one. This, I'm gonna rate it a solid, what should I rate it? Can't give it a high score because it's bland as shit. So, like 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. Not bad. Not amazing. Now, we have got this one. This one I actually drank the most out of, or sipped the least in. It smells like apple juice. On the smell scale, that's a 2. the fact that it's not just 100% concentrate also gives it another point. That's 3 points. And the taste. Not bad. It's... what was it? Sour. No shit, Chrome. It's an apple. Fuck off. It's sour. It's good. It's nice. I'm rating it 6.5 out of 10. So, right. Next one. The 100% apple juice. 100% pure pressed. By the fact that it's 100% pure pressed and that it's not concentrated garbage, it gives me a 4 out of 10 immediately. Now, smell test. Doesn't smell quite as strong as the previous one. I think that's from the flavorings. But yeah. This one tastes... what are you doing? Not that bad. Not taste. Smells. It smells good. And it tastes. Ooh. Wait a minute. Can't pinpoint exactly what it is about it, but it's a bit more... I'm going to use the word tangy again, aren't I? It's a bit more tangy. It's a bit more flavorful. It's not just apple. It kind of tastes like pear combined with apple. I don't know how to explain it. But this one, for me, personally gets the high score of an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Finally, now, sure, I might be a bit biased, but duh. Final one, Tropicana, apple juice. Amazing. Always will be with us, always be great with us. Oh my god, there's so much apple juice. So it's pressed apple. Now I'm going to have to negate any point from it because it's a paper straw. I hate paper straws. Also, it's a straw. I can't get as much flavor into as the cups or the, cardboard cartons. But it's even worse than the taste department. No joke. It's not even a good apple juice. This one actually scored the least. I'll be kind to it. I'll give it a 4 out of 10. And that's it. That's where we leave that at. So, as you see, this one got the least, man, because there's paper straw and because it just tastes disgusting. The next one on the list is 100% concentrate. It goes by the how much concentrate. Sure, I might be a bit biased because I like my food healthy and not gonna make me die. Well, I can't even say that. I've literally got pizza on my bed. But, doesn't matter. Got apple juice. 100% concentrate. Got the second. Almost the least. This one got the least. That one's third on the list. This one's second. 50% concentrate. You can see a pattern. It goes up in the amount of concentrate, but that's because that's the healthiness of it, that's the niceness of it, and because it tastes better if it's not from concentrate. Sure, it might be a bit more expensive, but it doesn't matter. I like my apple juice good and not tasting like absolute dookie. But anyway, if you've watched to the end of the video, how? It's literally me tasting apple juice. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. I seriously do. Like and subscribe because I need you to. I'm Beaton Jensen. Please. And yeah, that's it. See you later, alligator. What am I doing with my life?